It is Crypto Moose, and the moose is loose. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Just finished recording a few more videos for the Crypto and NFT Masterclass. So use the coupon code in the link in the description below. You can get up to 90% off. It's 7.5 hours now. So definitely check that out if you want to go from beginner to pro with everything crypto and NFTs. So we got a pretty good team who's really helped us out building that out. So what we're going to do today is we'll go through Minswap, but first I just want to go over the price and talk about where we're at. And it's basically my thought that we're still in fear mode. A lot of people are still scared. The status quo seems to be that we're not going to be going any higher anytime soon, and nothing too great is happening. But in the background, there's so much being developed. You look at projects like Cardano, we got Hydra in the works. Even Ethereum's doing well, I have to say. The proof of stake is going on well right now. And everything seems to be going well even with ETH. So I'm happy I still own a little bit of that, a little touch of that. But I think ADA is going to be the big winner by 2025. So today we're April 24th, 2023. So if we take a look at Bitcoin, because we got to take a look at Bitcoin, right? We got to go up the hierarchy here. And if you take a look at the chart, we've bounced from the bottom here, and that's if this was the bottom, right? We could easily tumble back down, but I like to think that we're not going to go under 25,000 like ever again. That's just what I think. I could be wrong. Obviously, anything can happen. Whatever can happen will happen, right? Murphy's Law. But at the end of the day, it looks like, we've bottomed here. And I like to think that we're going to be going up and hitting new all-time highs, I think, by the end of the year. Comment down below if you think I'm wrong. But at the end of the day, it's becoming more scarce, and it's becoming a much more desirable asset at the end of the day. Again, if you go to year to date, like if you're buying at 16,000, you'd be making money right now. Like you're up 30, 40, 50%, depending on when you timed it. So yeah, I just want to talk about that. Bitcoin's been pretty stagnant there. Matic took quite a bit of a dip this week. So let's go to the 7-day. And I must say, I was pretty happy when, we're at, $1.16. I think we were even higher though. Yeah. We tipped a bit higher at once. Yeah, I was hoping we get to $1.20, but, again, these are good opportunities. We're probably going to go lower. I don't know. I'm not doing no technical analysis, doing no Fibonacci, Fettuccine and fettuccine line pattern stuff. I don't care about that. I'm more of a buy and hold kind of guy. But, let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think we're going to go lower or higher? And I think we're going to, if anything, dip down lower for a bit. And that's fine with me. Because at the end of the day, nobody really knows. In these meme coins, like, I really want to get to this Minswap ordeal, but guys, these meme coins, like what if Floki, I don't even know if I've been on this website. The people's currency, sorry, the people's currency, Floki. Okay, come on, guys. What is this? That's egregious. That's like, this is like Doge 2.0, but it looks kind of cool, Comment down below. Should I sell all my ADA and buy some Floki? What? Oh my god. They make it easy to buy though, I must say. So it looks like it's on some DEXs, so, hopefully there's enough liquidity there to provide trading. So ApeSwap. All right, I guess we're taking a look at Floki here a little bit too. So let me save this for the video. We'll do that after. Maybe I'll get a little screenshot in a bit. So that's Floki. Let me know what you guys think of Floki. Looks like another, meme coin. And these pump hard. Like, but I wanted to click on that to let you guys know, like, guys, like, be careful. All right, like, don't, like, whenever you're trying to make a quick buck, it's probably the quickest way to lose a buck. just so you know. And I'm a guy that turned 20 bucks into 5 grand on Doge. Just be weary, okay? If you're gonna buy something super low cap, have a good reason. I don't care, but just have a good reason and don't dump more than 5% into it. Just don't do that, okay? So Minswap, my favorite DEX. If you don't know what that is, it's a decentralized exchange. Takes out the middleman. So if we launch the app, what I want to do is talk about the farming. So I wanted to get your input on which other pairs I should be trading with. So if I hover over to staked only, so again, from staked only to not, we have all these different pairs. So basically what you're doing is you're providing liquidity with two different assets. You're pooling them all together. That's including me, anybody else. And now the protocol, this DEX, people can use it for trading and then they can do whatever they want. So for example, now I can go on and trade 20 ADA for some meld. And I'm doing that because people are yield farming. So they're providing liquidity and then we can now trade with those assets. Comment down below if I'm wrong, but I think that's precisely how it works. So right now, I think I've been doing this for about a week. I've already harvested, as you can see as well. But I'm doing ADA copy, ADA meld, and one thing to keep in mind is that the majority of the funds that I have are in the ADA meld. I have a lot in here. I probably have at least 1,200 Cardano in here and quite a bit of meld, probably 15, 20,000. So this one should grow higher than the other ones, and we'll keep track on that. But I just wanted to show you because I was always hesitant to do yield farming, and I finally took the dive myself into it, and I seem to enjoy it. And I'm going to be checking out other protocols. I've been reading the comments. Thank you so much. And I will be checking out, I think it's MuesliSwap and some others. So I will be probably next month when I can put a little bit of capital into it, I'll just start yield farming there as well. And of course, I get to invest in the meantime, so it's cool with me. So right now, I'm earning a little bit, and this probably only took a few days. So probably, with all of them, probably 10 to 20 min tokens a day. So if we go to trade, and that's not a lot. Remember, guys, it's not a get rich quick thing, but let's say 10 to ADA. So I'm probably earning what, like 1 ADA a day, which isn't bad. That's 30 ADA at the end of the month. So anyways, let me know what you guys think. Are there any other pairs? Should I be looking into ADA Shen, which I believe is a stable coin? Clay, that's Claymate's project. Or, what do you guys think I should be pumping into more? So that being said, that's all we really got. Definitely like, comment, subscribe. Just posted a couple of banger videos. And yeah, and then also, if you want to pick up a hardware wallet, which you should if you have at least $200-300 USD in crypto, pick up a Trezor Model T or 1. I recommend the T because the 1 you cannot hold your Cardano on there. The Model T will be good long term. This will be the best way to store your crypto and NFTs. So this would be basically your bank account, and your hot wallet would be, more of your everyday carry, so to speak. So that's all we have for you. Remember, if it's not your keys, it's not your cheese.